What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on the notifications for me. All right. Look, guys. I told you I had some stock updates for you guys. All right, we're gonna talk about some stocks, but before I get into that, guys, I told you about BMNR a couple of days ago, guys, which is a crypto company. They are an Ether treasury company. Okay, so and they're headed off by Tom Lee. Okay, and I told you guys to be on the lookout for a $45 million infusion that they were planning on infusing into Ethereum. Okay, they were planning on buying 45 million. All right, and today we got word, guys, and we have the receipts to show that they actually went ahead and they have done it. They purchased 22 million and point something, and then another 22 million point something. Okay, and I got the receipts on the screen for you guys, as you can see right here, guys. And now they are the largest holder of Ethereum, and they are the second largest crypto treasury company, right behind MicroStrategies. Okay, and we saw Ethereum go all the way up to around 4,900. Okay, so this is huge, guys. So at the time of this recording, I think it did fall back to around 4,800 just recently, but I want you guys to be on the lookout for this for next week. Even later on tonight, guys. This could skyrocket at any time with this huge infusion. Okay, all right, now, gang, let's talk some stocks. All right. So first up on the list, guys, let's talk about Uber Technologies. Okay, so we've been smashing it, knocking it out of the park with this one on a regular basis. All right, so when this one it was at 92, I told you guys this was going to 97 once it broke past the 93 mark. So it broke past that, and we did go all the way to 97 last week. All right, since then it after hours it did pull back to around 96.80. 89. Okay, so 96.89 after hours. All right, so now that it broke and it went to that all-time high, guys, we're gonna look to see where it's going next. All right, so now when you look at the analyst rating, guys, they see it going to around 110. Okay, so I'm gonna be a little conservative. My next target is gonna be 105. Okay, so now if you want to look to do a short-term option contract on this, guys, for next week, I wouldn't just hop right in and dive in, blind. Okay, you're gonna wait to see if it breaks past the new resistance, which is 97, because we know that's the new resistance because it tested 97 and it came back down just slightly. Okay, but it didn't come down a lot, which is a good indicator that it's probably going to go back higher next week. All right, but I would wait. Okay, so if it breaks past 97, it goes to like 98 and not just touches 98, but we want to see it hold, probably for a day. Just hold that for the whole day. And then we know definitely that it's probably going to 105. Okay, so that's how we're going to play that. But guys, if not, then we can see it drop back down. If it doesn't break past resistance, the 97, then it could come back down and touch 92. Okay, and then you can have another opportunity at 92 to ride it all the way back up to 105, which would be a huge come up. Okay, gang. So look, the next stock I want you guys to keep your eyes on is Walmart. Okay, ticker symbol WMT. Okay, now they've been taking a beating since their earnings came out last week. All right, but it's completely over exaggerated, guys. Walmart is still a great company. Okay, this is one of our long-term stocks right here, and we invest into Walmart every single week. Okay, now when the earnings came out, they beat on the revenue, but they just missed on the earnings per share. Okay, so what does that mean, guys? Does that mean that Walmart is going out of business? Does that mean that Walmart's losing money? No. Okay, Walmart is still a profitable company. So anytime, gang, that you see a great company like Walmart take a dip like that, when it's not warranted, they didn't lose money or anything like that, then it's just temporary. Okay, so that's going to create an opportunity for you to get in on the low, okay, and ride it back up to new all-time highs. Okay, next week, guys, be on the lookout. Okay, we're going to see if it drops below 94. Okay, if it drops below 94, then it could take an even deeper dive all the way down to 85. And if it drops down there, I'll definitely be loading up on it. Okay, I'll be investing into the stock itself, as well as taking some call options and riding it up to like 105 to 110. Okay, but best case scenario, guys, it's going to touch 94 next week, and then it's going to bounce off of that. Okay, we're going to be looking to see if it bounces off the 94, breaks past the 97, and then we can see it go higher. Okay, so keep your eyes on Walmart. All right, gang, look, man, don't forget to get your free stocks using my link down below. Okay, also go over to crazycryptocliff.com, guys, become a member over there, so that way you can start watching the training videos and learn how we're trading stock options. All right, but look, guys, that is all I have for you guys in this particular video. I definitely look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, gang, and let's get this money.